Hello everyone, I am Fritzy, and in this video I will demonstrate how to use Wayground. It is formerly known as Quizizz, an interactive edtech platform used for creating quizzes and engaging students in fun and meaningful learning activities. So what is Wayground? Wayground is an online learning platform that allows teachers to create quizzes, assignments, and interactive activities for students. It helps make classroom assessment more engaging because students can answer using their devices and receive instant feedback. And now, let me teach you how to use Wayground in creating quizzes. So the very first step that you need to do is of course to go to the website. You have to open your browser. So here in my video, I'm using Chrome, and then you search the word Wayground. After searching it, you need to go to the official website, which is wayground.com. You will see quizzes is now Wayground, teacher AI, and resources. So after that, you click teachers, sign up for free, and then go to continue with Google, and then log in with your Google account. After choosing an account, you will go to waveground.com, and then you have to search for the word create or create a source. After clicking create a source, the next step is click the assessment if you're going to make a quiz. And then after that, you click start from scratch. After clicking start from scratch, you select question type. Mine, we will use the multiple choice. And then after that, you have to type in your question. So here we type, what do we use in oral communication? And then after that, you put the option. The first option is writing. And then the second is speaking. Then the third, you have the word drawing. And then the last one, you have the word painting. You may include a picture to each of your questions. So here I chose the word speak and then chose a question. I chose a picture and then save it. Yeah, I edited this one. Should be drawing. And then I put check because that's the correct answer. And then after that, I save the question. So you may add another question, for example, multiple choice again. I have another question here. So the next question, we have which type of speech aims to teach the audience about a topic. So we have here the first option, which is informative. The second one, which is persuasive. The third is entertaining. And the last one is demonstrative. What do you think is the correct answer? Okay, you may also add another image. So here I search for an image which is about information. So click search, and then I chose this picture, and then I cropped it. After cropping it, I save the picture. And then after that, I checked first or selected the correct answer, which is informative. And then I save the question. Then after that, I generate another question, which is multiple choice again. Then type in another question, which is a speech that tries to convince listeners to change opinion is called blank. So that is first is that's a speech that is entertaining, and then you have informative, then you have demonstrative, and then you have persuasive. So what do you think is the correct answer here? So the correct answer is the last option. So I also search for another image here that is pertaining to persuasion. So I chose this picture with the magnet and then save it. Then save question. So finally, we already have a quiz. Yeah, so this is if we want to show how the participants see it. So this is the participants' view. So we have three questions. Each of the questions show also the answers every time we answer the question. So this is the preview of the quiz. And then setting, we can put here the title or the name of the quiz. So I type in oral communication quiz number 1. And then we can also add picture to this one. So I search question since this is our question mark. All right. And then after that, I save it. Okay. But we can save it because we need to put in first or select subject and grade. So we choose the subject English, but since there is no senior high school, I just chose second grade and then save it. And then I click published. Okay, so we see here, great work, your quiz is already saved. Okay, we can also try to look at the preview or the student preview for the three questions that we have. Of the second question, which is the informative, and then the last question, which is the persuasive. Okay, so we can also make this as an assignment. You just have to click assign and then custom setting. So we can make this as an assignment. You just have to edit close date. Just press click the one above and then edit close date. And then you change it, for example, into May 7 and then save and close. Then after that, you assign it. You can also try to play it live. Then you press student paste, classic, and then you may now start. Okay, so you may join the quiz by entering the join code and then start. So that's the end of our quizzes. Okay, so that's the end. Thank you so much for listening.